अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। उम्मीद करती हूँ खैरियत से होंगे। आज हम पढ़ेंगे 5 क्लास का यूनिट नंबर 1 जिसका नाम है व्हाट इज़ अ कंप्यूटर। सबसे पहले इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करेंगे। उम्मीद है आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आएगी। अगर पसंद आए तो लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। नंबर 1, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस ब्रीफली ऑन योर नोटबुक। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, define hardware and write the names of 5 different hardware components. आंसर होगा the parts of a computer that we can see and touch are known its hardware components: keyboard, camera, CPU and LCD. Question number 2, what is motherboard? Write the names of any 3 components. आंसर होगा a motherboard is the main circuit board of the computer. It is in a way the backbone of a computer. Processor, input output devices, memory chips, RAM, ROM, etc. Question number 3, define processor and write about its components. Answer, a processor is considered as the brain of a computer. It is a silicon chip fixed on the motherboard. The main components of a processor are ALU, arithmetic and logic unit, CU यानी control unit, arithmetic and logic unit. All mathematical problems are solved in the part of the processor that consist of arithmetic unit and logic unit. Arithmetic unit, it performs addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Logic unit, it compares two quantities and gives answer in the form of true or false. Question number 4, differentiate between RAM and ROM. Answer is RAM is a temporary storage area. It holds data before and after processing. It is attached with the motherboard. ROM normally contains instructions that a computer performs automatically when it is switched on. जी स्टूडेंट्स, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 देखते हैं। राइट अ नोट्स ऑन द फॉलोइंग. Number 1 is system unit, modem and network. Number 1, system unit. A system unit is a cuboid box which houses different components of a computer. For example, motherboard, processor, memory and storage devices, etc. are encased in the system unit. It protects the part of a computer from dust and any damages. Second is modem. A modem is a device which is used to connect and communicate with other computers on the internet. It sends and receives data. Number 3, network card. A network card is a small circuit board that is used to connect a computer with other computers on a network. It is plugged into the motherboard of the computer. जी स्टूडेंट्स, अब MCQs करेंगे. True or false? Number 1 is mouse is a communication device. It's false. Number 2, system unit houses different parts of a computer. It's true. Number 3, ROM stores data temporarily. It's true. Number 4, motherboard is the main circuit board of a computer. It's also true. Number 5, a network card is a big circuit board that is used to connect a computer with other computers on a network. It's also true. लास्ट क्वेश्चन करेंगे. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स यूजिंग द गिवन वर्ड्स. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक, रैंडम, मदरबोर्ड, कनेक्ट. नंबर 1, अ मॉडम इज यूज टू डैश अ कंप्यूटर विद अदर, कनेक्ट. नंबर 2, अ प्रोसेसर इज फिक्स्ड ऑन द डैश motherboard. Number 3, memory is the dash storage place for data and instruction. ब्लैंक में आएगा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक. नंबर 4, रैम स्टैंड्स फॉर डैश एक्सेस मेमोरी. ब्लैंक में आएगा रैंडम.